Practice English listening. The Snowman Challenge. It's a cold winter morning, and Sam wakes up to see snow covering everything outside. The trees, the cars, and even the rooftops are blanketed in thick, white snow. He can't believe his eyes. "Wow, look at all that snow!" he exclaims, running to the window. Sam loves snow days, and he knows today is going to be a lot of fun. "Mom, can I go outside and play in the snow?" Sam asks eagerly as he rushes downstairs for breakfast. "Of course, Sam," his mom replies, smiling, "but make sure you wear your warm clothes. It's very cold outside." Sam nods and quickly eats his breakfast. Afterward, he puts on his heavy winter coat, boots, gloves, and a warm hat. He grabs his scarf and wraps it around his neck, ready for the cold. "I'm ready, Mom," he says, opening the door and stepping outside. The cold air hits Sam's face, but he doesn't mind. He loves the feel of snow crunching under his boots. As he looks around, he sees his friends, Lily and Ben, waving at him from across the street. "Hey, Sam, come over here," Ben calls out. Sam runs over to his friends, his breath visible in the cold air. Guis. "Isn't the snow amazing?" he says, grinning. "It's perfect for building snowmen," Lily says excitedly. "We're having a snowman challenge. Whoever makes the best snowman wins." "That sounds like fun," Sam says. "Let's get started." The three friends pick a spot in the front yard and start rolling big snowballs to make the base of their snowman. Sam pushes a snowball through the snow, making it bigger and bigger until it's almost as tall as his waist. He places it in the middle of the yard and starts working on the second, smaller snowball for the snowman's body. Lily and Ben are busy making their own snowmen. Lily decides to make a snowman with a big smile and a fancy hat, while Ben is focused on making his snowman tall and sturdy. As they work, they laugh and talk about all the fun things they can do in the snow. "I love snow days," Sam says as he puts down his snowman's middle section to make it smooth. "Me too," Ben replies. "There's so much we can do. We can build snow forts, have snowball fights, and even make snow angels." After a while, Sam finishes the body of his snowman and starts on the head. He carefully shapes a small snowball and places it on top of the body. "Now it's time to add the details," he says to himself. He runs back inside and grabs a carrot from the kitchen for the snowman's nose. He also finds some buttons and a pair of old mittens to decorate his snowman. "These will be perfect," he thinks, running back outside. Sam places the carrot in the middle of the snowman's face and uses the buttons to make eyes and a mouth. He puts the mittens on the sides for hands and wraps an old scarf around the snowman's neck. "There, all done," he says, stepping back to admire his work. Lily and Ben are also finishing up their snowman. Lily adds a hat and a scarf to her snowman, giving it a cheerful look. Ben finds some sticks and uses them to make arms for his tall snowman. When everyone is finished, they stand back and look at each other's snowmen. "Wow, these all look great," Lily says. "It's going to be hard to pick a winner." "I agree," Ben says. "They all have something special." Sam nods. "Yeah, I think we're all winners today. We made some awesome snowmen." The friends laugh and take pictures with their snowmen, making silly faces and posing for the camera. "This was so much fun," Sam says. "I'm glad we had this snowman challenge." "Me too," Lily agrees. "We should do this every time it snows." As the sun begins to set, the three friends head inside, feeling happy and tired. They warm up with hot chocolate and talk about all the fun they had in the snow. Sam feels grateful for his friends and for the wonderful day they shared. Later that night, as Sam gets ready for bed, he looks out the window at the snowmen standing proudly in the front yard. He smiles, knowing that even when the snow melts, he'll always have the memory of the Snowman Challenge with Lily and Ben.